let me drive the boat type shit. Yeah. This is cool as fuck. Oh yeah, yeah. It's got me. It's getting both sides. Really opens up. Like I don't know why I thought it was all like back there. Okay. And this is Lake Wiley. Yeah. This is like a core memory right now. So weird. Hey, boo. I feel like Dexter right now. This is what he would be doing, bro. What a body back there. Right? Let you jump back in, bro. Thank you, bro. Yes. Oh. Oh my God. That was just crazy. That's what my name is. Let me drive the boat. And in the clip, the thumbnail is going to be on. Be able to just like hold conversations and just like vibe. Gifts, drinks, quesadillas. Me too. I'm on some bad shit. I'm gonna fuck up a quesadilla and I still might go to Empire. Well, this gonna be us one day. The trees, they look like little bushes. That's how much actual space there is. Like, Yeah.
Might.
Yeah, no, you're good, bro. I got you. Don't worry.
Okay.
It is really cool.
My hands are like wet.
That's why I didn't bring my own drink. I'm just taking a little sip here. I'm gonna be straight. Trust me. Once I put some food in my stomach too,
Okay.
I'm nowhere near him.
Okay.
And
Like, a little bit close.
Yeah, no, you're good.
I'm really loving this salt so
Yeah.
much. Like, if I could just eat a tub of salt.
Serious.
This house back here,
Oh
see
my
that cloud window?
Yeah.
There's a 3-story waterfall running
In the house? Damn, dude. You met the people out here? You met the people? Damn. Cocaine money? Yeah. He said, oh yeah. Yeah?
What?
He said it used to be a White House, now it's pink.
Look how many people are on that boat. 1, 2,
Fine.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I count 8.
Alright.
I lied. I don't know where my big chunk went. Have I? I wonder which one was my big chunk.
You would think it would still be big.
You know? I don't know.
Or might have got rid of it.
Hey, we might have crossed it out.
Might have crushed it
Look at
up.
that land right there.
So it's golf spot.
You know, we could go out there. I really wanted something like, I want something fun.
Yeah, me too. I'd rather just have it.
Like, I really like, I want to spring resort. I want to spring, please no.
Yeah, I'd love to see it. A front and a back.
For the cat.
Yeah, patio vibe.
We have a lot of
Seriously.
These are so beautiful.
The water is tripping me out. Yeah, like,
I really couldn't.
it's just shining.
I've been over here before.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah.
Where is that?
That how close they're riding together.
Oh, yeah.
That's dangerous, bro. Yeah, that makes sense.
We're about to get choppy, boo. For a second, though. They're always supposed to go, like, if the waves are going like this. So they're straight. They're not supposed to go like this. They're not supposed to go like this. Because it can make you flip.
I could see that. That's the interstate?
Yeah,
That's
That's
the-
the Busboy Bridge in Fort Mill.
What is it called?
Buster Boy? Buster Boy?
Buster Boy? Buster Boy Bridge.
The bridge from South Carolina and North Carolina.
Wow, okay.
Oh, like, yeah, just the North Carolina.
Wow. Damn Thunderbird.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Didn't one of these mansions burn spectacularly at some point? I mean, like within the last decade? Okay. Nah, but this is like within the last like 10, maybe 15 years, there was like one of them burned and it was like it may have been like some scandal. I'll look it up.
I think so. That's gotta because if not, that's crazy. Hey, those are apartments, right? Okay. I was about to say, not a house. God
Yeah, house there.
damn. down, dude.
I might be on the wrong side.
Wow, dude.
So this would that private school would be, or not private school, but that high school would be up there on the right. Cascades or Palisades or whatever.
That boy, he has a hoodie on.
So it's right there in that building. Oh boy.
Who has a hoodie on?
Did you just say, oh boy? Nah, bro, get out. What is that, the Lakers?
The Laker, he was a Celtic.
I don't know.
He was a
You know, some people live in, like, that's a boathouse right there. You see
Marina.
it?
Yeah.
People
It's like
live,
an RV.
they live on the water, and they stay there all the time.
Permanent resident.
Seriously. And that's a 2-story boat right there.
Yeah, like Boston Marina.
You were there before. For that, that's like, they have food in there.
That works. That works too.
Both work.
We're looking for things that's the same color of our skin.
Right. Damn, look how fast that thing is. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, look how they're getting close, bro.
Like the duel, that's a good boat.
That shit looks like a whoa.
It's not even I think I felt my new favorite.
Margarita. Oh, I got some lime juice for you at the crib.
Oh yeah, next weekend.
No, yeah, maybe.
Look how fun this looks.
Cabin cruiser? That's awesome. You have to pay
How
property
the hell does he
tax.
know where we're at?
I don't know.
You had to pay
That's
like
what I used to say, like my grandpa. Look, you might have a tractor on there.
Live in a marina.
You can set your shark. It's like a big GPS.
Is it different on a boat that you own versus a boat that you live in? Probably.
Yeah.
I don't think I would want to. Like, I love it. It's great. Water's awesome.
I seen it on Airbnb. People like renting them out. It might get old pretty quick. The otters come in and take a shit on your house like quick every day. That might.
Don't want water.
Yeah.